Alright, another Sesame Street game, Big Bird's Hide and Seek. I'm not so sure if I'm going to enjoy this as much as the other ones. I don't know, I might. I say that now, but who knows. Okay.
Find the letter C.
Whoa, this speaks and everything?
Great. You found C. Now find the letter A.
Why does this game speak better than Ghostbusters?
Wow.
Wow,
You found A.
I did.
Now find the letter N.
Oh, we gotta go one at a time.
Yay! You found
I did.
N. Now find the letter Y. Great.
Great.
You found Y. You found them all. C. A. N. Y.
Does anybody else know that this
Wow.
game speaks pretty well on a Nintendo system? Elmo chews gum. I had no idea. Whoa. That bit the game? Is this all? Whoa. That's a quite a bit of animation, but I'm pretty sure they did this for children. Oh, that was break time, right? Nobody else left, so when the window opens, it's all four of them again. Bert, Ernie, Grover, and Elmo. Let's play again.
Find the letter W.
W. Okay.
Yay! You found
W.
Now find the letter L.
Oh, you cannot go back. It has to do one at a time.
Great.
This is actually pretty
You
good.
found L.
Because that's the exact
Now,
same
find the letter
location
Z.
as the show, right? Like, you know, this building and the 1, 2, 3. Shoot, they can't even get games like Total Recall, right?
Yay! You found
Or maybe Predator.
Z.
I don't know.
Now find the letter I.
The whole bird's gotta go all the way. And now whose turn is it next to take a break?
Great.
Great. You found letter I.
You found them all.
I did.
W, L, Z, I. Wow.
Wow. Oh, cool. I wonder if all four go, right? Do they go somewhere else? I don't know if I have the time to figure it out. Maybe. Let's do it. Come on. I want to know now. Come on, Bert. I got Grover and Ernie next. Ernie's savage, man. That was the episode where Bert asked Ernie, like, "Hey, Bert, I mean, Ernie, how do I look?" And Ernie says, "With your eyes, Bert."
Find the letter P.
P. This spells jump.
Oh boy.
Oh, boy.
You found P. Now
Oh, that sounds something
find
weird.
the letter M.
M is the next one. Oh, please go U and then J.
Great.
Great.
You found M. Now find the letter U.
Yes.
Wow. You found U.
I know.
Now find the letter J.
Yes.
Oh boy. You found J.
I did.
You found them all. P. M. U. J.
They just spelled the word jump backwards.
Yay!
Why does he have to go back just to do that? And then Ernie, awesome. So Grover is last. Okay. I'm about to bust out the NES Advantage. Or the Edge. That's what the system is called. Alright, last one. Let's do it.
Let's play again.
Yeah, let's play again. Come on.
Find the letter Q.
Q.
Wow. You found Q. Now find the letter C.
C. Come on.
Great. You found C.
I did.
Now find the letter
I.
I.
Yes.
Wow. You found I. Now find the letter J.
J.
Oh boy. You found J. You found them all. Q. C. I. J.
Yes, I did.
Wow.
Alright, this is Grover. Nice. Come on, show me a different location. People was like, come on, let's row to another location.
Let's play again.
Oh, they're just the same thing. Oh, let's try
Find the letter M.
M. So what happens? Like,
That's E. Find
oh,
the letter M. That's F. Find the letter M.
so start goes back out. Oh, so it just does that.
Choose a game.
Oh, there's more than that's. No, this is pretty good. Like 6 games, but I only need to do one because it's Sesame Street.